I would like to direct your attention to the screen. Now this is a photo of your younger self, afraid, unsure, and hiding. If he were standing in front of you right now, what would you say to him? What words do you think he needs the most? And what truth would you finally share? And what message would you want him to carry for the rest of his life?
To you, little Day Day, I would like to say, just be careful. Be careful of people who you talk to, all the experience that you have experienced in life. Just be true to yourself. Listen to what your heart wants to listen. Listen to your words. Listen to your thoughts. Just follow your mom and dad and be true to yourself. Because at the end of your life, or when you become adulthood, you will know how life was and how life is really. Nevertheless, just listen to your heart. Listen what you want to listen. It's because you know you know yourself better than others. If you are like a gay person right now, so be it. Just be true to yourself. You know already that you have experience in life just like what I did. Be happy, be content, and be true to yourself. Thank you.